Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Double Trouble, an idea by Bram Cohen. And yes, you have noticed correctly, we have two puzzles here that look identical. And the reason that these two puzzles are here is because Bram made an interesting observation. You know, for a Rubik's Cube you can turn all the faces, but there's one particular move that's called a slice move, where you move only the face that's in the middle. And Bram said, well, that's a slice move, but there is another type of move which is similar, that is the opposite faces move. So this is an opposite faces move. And for an opposite faces move, the slice remain in position, whereas for a slice move, it's the slice that turns. And well, you would say, isn't that sort of academic, because the result is the same, but in one case you have the cube in this orientation and in the other case like that. Well, you're correct, it's an academic discussion and we're doing twisty puzzle science here, so this is the good place to discuss that. But Bram has invented these two puzzles to explain what's really the difference. So these two puzzles, they look the same and they also operate the same. The red face, it's blocked, it doesn't turn. The orange face at the other side is also blocked, doesn't turn either. Well, that's the same here. This is Double Trouble A and this is B. Also for Double Trouble B, the red face doesn't turn, the orange face doesn't turn. Then the green and the blue faces, they turn independently. Same for number B, the green and the blue faces turn independently. And now here comes the interesting part. The slice turns and the opposite faces turn. So Double Trouble A makes an opposite faces turn, so we turn it like that. Whereas Double Trouble B makes a slice turn, which is like that. But the interesting thing is the top is still blocked, same like this, and the sides turn freely, also here. So to put it in another way, if we put them in the same orientation, they suddenly have started to behave differently. Here the red and blue face does turn, here it's blocked. Here the red and green face does turn, but in this one it's blocked. So this sort of shows you that there is really a difference between a slice turn and an opposite faces turn. And I'm going to show you a little bit about the mechanism, which you can see when you look through the puzzle. I hope you can see through the hole. Yeah. I'm aiming the hole here, and what you're seeing here is a yellow thing that is there in the middle, and it blocks this turn. But when I do the slice move, like that, you see it stays in place, and now you see it again, but now it blocks that turn. So that is the way how I've implemented Bram's idea, whereas for this puzzle it's just the faces that are blocked. In this case the red face, it's just glued to the core, and then so there is not such a blocking thing. So you have seen the difference between the two puzzles, and they can make some changes that are the same. But my question to you is, can they achieve exactly the same states? So for instance, with Double Trouble B, I can make that state easily. With Double Trouble A, I cannot do that. But is there a way that I can scramble this puzzle such a way that it comes to that state? Thank you for watching.